Hey, if you want to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode on your Realme Pad SE, first of all we have to open the settings, and then we have to scroll down and we have to open the sound settings, and right here we can find the Do Not Disturb mode, and we can simply turn it on by tapping on, turn it on or off by tapping on this switcher. And if you click also on the name of it, you will be able to adjust this switcher. When you click right here, you will turn it on when the device is locked, and you can also schedule to turn it on exact time. So we can set the start time and also the end time, and also the repeat. So for example, if you only want to get this do not disturb mode to be set up from Monday to Wednesday, you can do this like that. Then click OK and tap on this right upper corner to confirm. And here you can also quickly turn on and off your rules. You can also create another one. And here you can quickly switch between them by tapping on this switcher. And that's all. Bye bye.